EZfaxing software from the software center. You will need to install the EZfaxing software before you are able to send faxes using EZfaxing. First, you will need to go to your Start button or the Windows button here on your desktop. Click on All Programs. Scroll down to Microsoft System Center. Click on Software Center. When the Software Center screen appears, click on EZfaxing and click on Install. It will take a few moments for the EZfaxing printer drivers to be installed. When it is installed, you notice that the label on the button changed from install to uninstall. To verify that the EZfaxing printer driver has been installed, click on the Start button again and click on Device and Printer. And on the device and printer, verify that EZfaxing is installed. Once the EZfaxing printer driver is installed, you are now able to send faxes using EZfaxing. End of video.